So far as of right now, in the couple practices and off-season stuff we've had with him, it's kind of been what you saw at Florida. The big arm, really
Yeah.
great high end flashy plays. But there have been some inconsistencies with his accuracy, especially in the short to intermediate game. So who knows? We got to see how this offseason goes. But I would say percentage wise, I'd probably put it at 50% right now, just because
Mm-hmm.
you got to see some growth first. But I do know that they really want to get him out there as early as possible and get him some playing field experience. So yeah, the best way he's going to learn is on the field. He didn't really get too much field work in college, so they're going to want to get him out there as soon as possible.